Discussions encourage students to think critically about their coursework and interact with each other's ideas. Let's take a look. You can create discussions directly on the course content page or on the discussions page. To create a discussion directly on the course content page, select the plus sign where you want to add it, and then select Create. Next, select Discussion under Participation and Engagement. On the discussion page, select the plus sign in the upper right corner to open the menu. Here, you can add discussions and organize them with folders. By default, students can only participate in discussions you create. To allow students to create discussions that appear in the list with yours, select the gear icon to open the Discussion Settings panel. Select Allow Students to Create Discussion Topics, and then select Save. You can turn this setting on and off at any time. When creating a discussion, add a title and an initial post. Include guidelines and expectations to get students off to a good start. You can use the options in the editor to format your text. When you are finished, select Save. Next, select Discussion Settings. Here, you can add the discussion to the course content page, require students to respond to the initial post before viewing other discussion activity, make the discussion count for a grade, align with goals, and assign students to groups. When you select Grade Discussion, you can set the grading options and apply a grading rubric. When you are finished, select Save. And finally, set the visibility options for the discussion. New discussions are hidden by default.